Welcome to Chart of the Day. I'm Robert Folsom. Elliott Waves and Artificial Intelligence. Ready for launch. This Chart of the Day will, so to speak, introduce you to the work of an analyst you don't know. And I'll do so with a market that actually is well known, namely the Dow Industrials. The timeline on this chart involves time travel, the decade from 1932 through 1942. Now, you may be thinking, what is this, my great-grandfather's market? Well, please stay with me, and I think these 2 or 3 minutes will absolutely be worth your time. This analyst does not read the news, has no political opinion, doesn't get tired or bored or scared or excited. This analyst constantly improves over time, can analyze any market no matter how obscure, applies the Elliott wave principle with zero bias or emotion, is available 24/7 with no coffee breaks, and has such a long name that we usually use an acronym, specifically EWAVES, because of course this analyst is made of silicon. After years of research, testing and retesting and debugging, EWAVES 2.0 beta is the artificial intelligence system that does Elliott wave analysis. The chart on the screen is an example of the work that EWAVES does. Why show this 10-year period? I'll answer that momentarily. Viewers who are into history already know that this isn't just any old period from the past. However dark and crazy our world seems lately, this period, especially these 5 years, were at least an order of magnitude darker and crazier. Just as the market and economy seemed to be out of the Great Depression, it all went south again starting in March 1937. The Dow lost nearly half its value within a year, and GDP plummeted again. From there, those years included everything from an epic War of the Worlds radio drama in October 1939 to the epic, all too real Second World War that began when Hitler invaded Poland in September 1939. The United States didn't enter that war till December 1941, and by the end of the 5-year decline that came in April 1942, the map of Europe looked something like this. I trust you can infer who controlled all those shades of blue. So, back to why we show the Dow Industrials from 80 years ago. There's 2 reasons. First, you can see that, time travel aside, the trends and turns on this chart add up to a classic Elliott pattern. It is 100% recognizable to an artificial intelligence system that's trained to see Elliott patterns. Second, it is highly likely that EWAVES would have correctly labeled this March 1937 degree peak in real time at 3 degrees of trend. Would it have known about the invasion of Poland or about Pearl Harbor? No, it's artificial intelligence software. But again, it is a high probability that EWAVES would have anticipated the 1937 peak and multi-year bear market. To learn more about EWAVES, including a free sign-up to be notified when the next issue of EWAVES Flash publishes, follow the link on your screen or below it. Thank you for your time.